everyone, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss about another function of Python, which is isinf. Isinf function is mainly used to check whether the passed parameter is finite or not. If it is infinite, then it will return true. If it is finite, then it will return false. So here, first of all, we need to import one module. Here you can see I am importing one module, math module. In this module itself, this function resides. Okay, so there are a couple of scenarios I have noted down here. So for the first scenario, you can see I'm passing the value as minus as inf, which is infinity, right? So I'm using float function to convert this value, and then I'm passing it to isinf function. So I just write result equal to math dot isinf float of infinite. So what it will do, it will return, let me show you. Here I will run this python session 90.py and hit enter. So you can see it is printing the value as true, which is correct because it is a infinite number. Similarly, for the second scenario, you can see I'm passing the negative infinite, but it is infinite. That's why it is again returning true. But in case of third scenario, we are passing the value which is 45, and 45 is not a finite number. Sorry, it is not an infinite number, it is finite number. That's why it is returning false. So overall purpose of this function is to verify whether the passed value is infinite or finite. Okay, so yeah, I hope it is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.